Nature is older than us, stranger than us. Let's continue. Fact 1. Octopuses can taste with their arms.
Fact 2. A group of owls is called a parliament. Fact 3. Sea turtles can sense Earth's magnetic field to navigate oceans.
Fact 4. Cheetahs cannot roar like lions or tigers.
Fact 5. Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. Fact 6. A shrimp's heart is located in its head. Fact 7. Elephants communicate using low-frequency sounds humans cannot hear. Fact 8. Some frogs glow under ultraviolet light. If one of these surprised you, subscribe and like the video. Fact 9. Cats cannot taste sweetness. Fact 10. Penguins have specialized glands to filter salt from seawater.
Fact 11. A wolf's howl can travel up to 10 miles in open terrain. Fact 12. Butterflies remember experiences from their caterpillar stage.
Fact 13. Some lizards can detach their tails to escape predators. Fact 14. Blue whales can hear each other across vast ocean distances. Fact 15. Rabbits can rotate their ears almost completely around. Fact 16. Crows can recognize individual human faces. Fact 17. Sharks have existed longer than Saturn's rings. Fact 18. Koalas sleep up to 20 hours a day.
Some of these facts sound impossible, but they are real.
Fact 19. Dolphins sleep with one half of their brain at a time.
Fact 20. A hummingbird's heart can beat over 1,000 times per minute.